The first question is one hidden talent of yours that we don't know about.
When I was young, I used to be able to write with both my hands.
If you weren't a chess player, what would you be?
So when I was young, I at some point I thought I'll be a scientist.
What is your favorite cheat meal?
I love prawn.
If you were stuck on a deserted island, which teammate of yours would you choose?
Yeah, I'll definitely go with Vishy Anand.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
For now, I like Austria.
If you could have one superpower, what would that be?
Flying in the air.
If you could pick one actor to play your role in a biopic, who would that be?
Junior NTR. He's my favorite actor.
One sports person from a different sport who you would like to have a conversation with.
Neeraj Chopra.